What is it, you ask? My hair and nails that I've been saving for the past year. And I feel like tonight's the night I want to burn it. It's been a heavy, dense past few months. It's a full moon. And why do I save my hair, you ask? Mama was a very spiritual person, and she said that your hair and your nails hold your DNA. And when you flush it down the toilet or throw it in the garbage, it is in low vibrational, dirty places. Plus, spirits eat them to feed off of your energy. So the whole spirit thing freaked me out. So my whole life, when I go to the salon, yes, I tell them to sweep it up, and I put it in a little bag and I take it home. And then once every few months, this has been a year, it's been a while, I will burn it. And I feel like tonight's the night, so let's burn. Oh, it smells. I release everything that is no longer working in my life. Damn it.